Welcome back to Shedtune and welcome to the Shed of Dreams at Shedtune HQ. Now, we're still getting on with the frame, but a lot of you have been asking questions. Why does Dom appear to be doing all the work? I don't tell him, but it's because I'm a really good manager and I delegate stuff. And he's really good at welding and fabricating, and I'm not. Clearly we have a painting professional. Right, today we're going to get on with the arse end. So the rear legs have been cut off. So we've got to, I think, cut these straight on both sides so that we can do a butt joint.
Do not copy my butt.
And get the new legs back on, which is what we're going to do in a minute. Yes, that was me doing some work.
According to these wonderful drawings, we have, hold that so I can read it, 400 centre to centre. One we prepared earlier. Prepared earlier. 400 centre to centre. Hold that on there. Cut these off roughly the same. Lift it up, hold it in position, weld it, walk away, all done. It's all be fine because I'm not riding it.
Good, well that's so simple, it's unreal, Dom.
Yeah. What's that?
Don't know.
I did one of them. There you go, Gil.
200, 200, total 400. Why are you laughing, Dom? I can see why you're laughing. We'll show you in a minute.
Could do. What's that?
Don't know.
2 dead ones of them.
What have you got there, Dom? AKA Little Steve?
Yeah. From Big Steve.
Is that from Big Steve?
My name's Big Steve, innit?
Big Steve? Hello, Big Steve.
He kindly sent us some stickers, unlike you lot type bastards.
Is that for the sticker? Oh, wow.
Well, 2 of them, anyway.
Virgin Soldiers.
Yep. To adorn the fridge. All the board.
And the sticker board.
Well, if he'd have sent more, we could have, used more, but Steve, isn't he?
A bit tight, you mean?
Yeah, I'm a little bit tight, ain't I?
That's right!
Clean workshop is a happy workshop. I mean, you have 2 jobs, tea and clean.
And?
You ain't done either yet.
And? I better make the tea, otherwise he'll beat me. Never let it be said that there's bullying at work at Shedtune.
Very well. Let's get some idea anyway.
Okay, this is where we are so far. We'll come back to it tomorrow. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, the car's all frozen up and I'm off on a mission to get some new stuff for the Sprinter. See you when we get there. We've got 115 miles to go on the journey. It's going to take us the best part of 2 hours. We're going to get there quite early as well. So let's get on the road and go and pick these new bits up for the Sprinter. So I thought we'd take this opportunity to have a chat about how the Sprinter build's going so far. As you've seen from the previous bit of videos, we're trying to get the rear legs back on the frame, and believe you me, it is not going to plan at all. Every time we try and get them to line up, they're not quite right, and I'm not really sure what we're going to do at the moment. We've ordered some new ones so that we can literally strip them off the frame and then weld new ones onto the frame to get them exactly level and how we want them, but we'll see. Right, so we arrived at our destination and we picked up some stuff that we're borrowing so that we can mock everything up. Right, we'll see you back at the workshop. So we've borrowed this bodywork off of Kaizen Bodyworks.
You got it right for once.
And I think it's going to help us immensely getting the bodywork how we want.
We're going to rename it Split Personality.
Exactly. There we go. Bright yellow as we suggested it should be. What do you think? Drop some comments below, let us know. What do you think, Dom?
Yeah.
Right, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks very much for watching.
You ain't got any of your own material.
What's next? Newark Classic Bike Show, obviously at Newark. First week of January, I think it is. We're going to be there. Make sure you come by, say hello, and you can see for yourself the progress of the new sprint frame.
That sounded very posh.
I know, well, I am very posh, you know what I mean? Apart from that, drop some comments below, give us a like, a subscribe, press the bell, or don't, as Dom loves saying, and that'll be it for this one. Bye, Dom.
Arrivederci.
He can't even speak Spanish.